Okay, now let's cover the second part of the laser configuration, the rate tables. To open the page, click the gray hamburger, then select Rate Tables. You'll see the draw slide out from the left of the page. Let's stick with mild steel for now. Click to select it. At the top of this page, there are two input containers. This one has the base hourly rate. It'll apply for all thicknesses, and the etching speed is for all thicknesses too. You cannot have a different etch speed for each. The other container here shows which materials are connected. If you click this material link, it will take you to that material page. By the way, if there is not a material linked, you will need to go and link it. I'll show you how to connect a material next. Each thickness has its own speed, pierce time, and web. The web is the distance between a part on the nest. The fine cutting settings are part of the advanced plan only. I advise entering them if you think there will be staff that may not know what the capabilities of the laser are. If you do enter them, then you can rest assured that if a part is uploaded with an entity that matches these inputs, then ToolBox will automatically adjust the cutting time and price accordingly. The hourly rate multiplier is a handy feature. Let's say you wanted to add a 15% markup. Enter 1.15. There are typically only a few thicknesses you would do that to. So it's quickest to use the Edit tool over here on the far right. Don't forget to hit the Update button. There are two ways to edit any of the fields on this page. I'll show you the quickest first. Down here at the bottom of the page, click Export. Grab the CSV and open it. From here you can change any of the cells. If you need to add more thicknesses, copy the last row, paste directly below, and then change to suit. A couple of tips here: save the original download somewhere safe. If you mess up and upload mistakes, you always have the original to re-upload to start from scratch. The most common problem I get asked is when people try to upload a new CSV, and it doesn't work. Generally, it's because they have copied and pasted something, and it has a space at the end of the material name, or it's copied with special formatting, so watch out for this. Once you're done editing or adding new thicknesses, save the CSV and return to ToolBox. Click the Import button and upload the file. The other way to edit them is one by one. Sometimes this is the safest method until you're comfortable with the system. Just click the Edit icon over here on the right-hand side of each of the thicknesses. Don't forget to hit Update. Once you have changed the first rate table, to get to the others, just place your cursor up here in the search window, and you'll see the draw slide out again. Pick a new one. Rinse and repeat for the others. By the way, if you delete any of these, they are gone for good, so be sure before you delete them